Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if you're new here. And today what we'll be doing in this video is actually going to be this faux ponytail. I have done a video on this in the past, but it's a little dated, so I just wanted to update it for you guys since I started wearing these ponytails again and you have seen them on my Instagram recently. I actually picked up the perfect color that is now going to match my hair since I do have highlights. If you guys want to see how I apply this ponytail, it's so quick and easy. So I'm going to be showing you that in today's video. So if you want to see more about this faux ponytail look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get started with our faux ponytail look. For this hairstyle, you are going to need a couple things to get started. You're going to want to have a spray bottle or be near the sink. You're also going to want to have a brush, and the closer the bristles are, the better. So if you have like a boar brush, something with very dense bristles is going to help you stretch the hair. Along with that, you're going to need a fine tooth comb or rat tail comb like this with the teeth very close together as well. You're also going to need some hairspray, a couple bobby pins, and some hair ties, preferably either scrunchies or these hair ties which are made out of fabric. Alright guys, so now that we've covered the basics, let's get started. So for this faux ponytail, I'm going to be using my favorite style. I've been buying this particular ponytail for years now, and I actually just got it in this new color. This is actually the color P4/27, which means the base of this hair is going to be a level 4, and throughout the hair it has level 27 or darker blonde highlights. So that's really going to match my hair very well. This one is from Freetress Equal. It is the luxury drawstring ponytail. This is the Yaki straight 18-inch in the color P4/27. Alright, so I am starting on very old hair. I've actually been putting this into a ponytail for a few days now, so that is why it's looking a little rough. It definitely needs to be washed, deep conditioned, and all of that. So to start this style, I'm going to be taking my spray bottle and I'm going to be spraying the perimeter of my head. Just the top part, I am going to leave the rest of the hair dry. I'm also going to be adding a bit of conditioner as well to keep it moisturized. So now that we're done wetting the top of the hair, I'm going to take my brush and start brushing back the hair as much as I can to stretch the curl. The more you're able to stretch the curl from the front, the more it's going to match the ponytail. But don't worry if it has some waves in it and everything like that. Totally okay, it's still gonna look bomb. Next, I'm going to take one of my hair elastics and I am going to simply put my hair into a ponytail. So you can do this a little bit higher up if you want your ponytail to sit higher. For me, I usually do it in the center of my head. I just feel like it gives me a little bit more of a natural ponytail look. Alright, so now that I have my ponytail in place, I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair and make it into a bun. Then I'm going to use my second elastic to lightly secure it. Alright, so now it is time for our ponytail. Now this ponytail does have one comb at the top and one comb at the bottom. It also has a drawstring which you're going to pull to make it tighter on your bun. Now this is something I also mentioned in my older video, but I always take a bobby pin and put it into the drawstring. This bobby pin is really going to help hide this drawstring once we apply it. So to put on this ponytail, I am just going to open it so we're able to fit our bun inside. I'm going to put it over my head, push the top clip underneath the bun, and then do the same thing with the bottom clip, push it up underneath the bun, pull the drawstring and secure it as tight as you can. So now that we have the ponytail secured, I'm going to take this drawstring, pull it over, take my bobby pin and bobby pin this underneath the hair. So now to finish it up, I think it looks really good, but we are going to just finish styling it a little bit more. I'm going to take my fine tooth comb and just start brushing back any bumps that I see or any spaces in the hair like this. So now that we have all the bumps out, I'm going to take some hairspray. You can either use hairspray or gel, but I do like hairspray a little bit better because I find that it doesn't get flaky or crusty if you want to keep applying it. So all I'm going to do is just spray it down, and you can even spray the ponytail if you see any hair sticking up. Alright guys, so that is all for this tutorial. I will leave the links to all the products I used in this video down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.